I guess we're going to be looking at doing a unit replacement. Very easy access. There's a little door here you kind of walk into, and then I crouch down. So you can kind of get a decent lay of the land here. All right, we'll start with the measurements. So I've got measured from right there to right there. I've got that measured at 17 inches, and the height I've got from right there to right there at about 40 inches and a depth of 28. For the return, I measured from that point to that point at about 12 inches, and then depth on the return I've got from right there back at about 25 inches. I also measured from that point to that point on just the return itself at about 10 inches. For the height, I measured right at the base, including with the coil plenum, and I went right up to, you see like this crease right here? Yeah, right up there, going into the supply trunk. And I have that measured up to there about 31 inches. For the width, I measured at the smallest point, just above the furnace, the plenum underneath the coil, from right there to right there. I have that measured at 16.5 inches, and then same thing with the depth, measure from there on back at 21 inches. There is a large fan power humidifier located just on the other side of that. We're gonna leave that as it's a newer humidifier. I want to point reference to a duct booster that's right up there. Do with this information as you will. If I didn't already say, this is a standard efficiency, as you can see, 2-stage, and the BTUs on this is about 80,000 BTU. And I'll let you guys take a look at the data plate. I'll have a better photo to see it. Yeah, the video is kind of hard to see the data plate. Check my pictures. That'll be probably much easier to read on there. So, and then the filter size is just standard filter that goes inside the unit, and we got that at 1625 by 1. And yeah, and I believe that that's all she wrote. There you go.